Looking for tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how frustrating it is when your hot water goes out, especially during an Edmonton winter. Our tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service covers everything from inconsistent temperatures and strange noises to complete system failures, ensuring you have a reliable flow of hot water. Here in Edmonton, we often see problems caused by hard water and mineral buildup, which is why our team provides specialized solutions, including our comprehensive flush tankless water heater service. At Kingstree Plumbing, we pride ourselves on our rapid, reliable same-day service. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service in Edmonton.